Hi everyone! Ipapakita lang natin yung property na commercial lot, 10.5 hectares, na katabi mismo ng Our Lady of Fatima University. So, may 100 meters po siya na frontage, okay? So, ito yung mga nearby neighbor vicinity mo. Makita mo sa neighborhood, meron ka Chef Baboy, meron mo commercial area. Nandyan yung papuntang Madonna. So ito yung property guys. It's 10.5 hectares. It's really along the highway. Meron siyang 100 meters na frontage. It's priced at 25,000 per square meter. You also have South Supermarket dito sa area. And then meron pa dito St. Paul's Sipangan. Okay. So it's really along MacArthur Highway. We are coming from San Fernando. So papunta tayo ng Angeles, but what you will see here the area, okay? So prime property po guys, for sale at 35,000 per square meter. Please contact me if you are interested. So this is a commercial property about 10.5 hectares na may 100 meters frontage along MacArthur Highway sa Sindalan area in San Fernando, Pampanga. So if you can see in the photo doon sa left side, it's really beside Our Lady of Fatima University. So you can just imagine meron ka ng market for your whatever development you're planning. So you can do commercial spaces sa frontage. You can do residential towers or condo at the mid section, and then you can have prime house and lot sa inner section. So ito yung makikita nyo across the road. Nandyan lang yung Bangko Sentral. Comparable properties near this area, commercial properties, is already selling at around 35 to 60,000 per square meter. So you still have a chance to acquire this property at this price range.
Some decisions move you forward. The ride home does exactly that. Hurry up now.